Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In previous video, we have discussed about 4 types of government: democracy, dictatorship, constitutional monarch and republic government. But we know democracy has various types of government. From republican government, we have got another 2 types of government. One is parliamentary form of government and other is presidential government. And from constitutional monarch, from parliamentary government and from presidential government, we have got another 2 types of government. One is federal government and one is unitary government. Look at the students. Here total democracy has 6 types of government: constitutional monarch, republican government, federal government, unitary government, parliamentary government and presidential government. We already discussed about 2 types, constitutional monarch and republican government. Now we will discuss about 4 types of government. At first, federal government. This is system in which governmental power is distributed by the constitution between central and provincial government. Unitary government. This is system in which all the power is vested upon the central government. In federal government, central government and regional government both are powerful and they both are perform their duty actively. The example of federal government is India. In India has a federal government. Unitary government. On the other hand, in unitary government, central government has all power. The regional government is perform their work under the central government. The example of central government is Bangladesh. Parliamentary types of government. In this type of government, the executive as a whole becomes responsible and dependent to the legislature or parliament department. On the other hand, presidential government, in this type of government, executive department does not remain accountable and responsible to the legislature or parliament. Parliamentary type of government. In parliamentary type of government, there has 3 organ. Actually, all types of government has 3 organ. The 3 organ name is executive, legislature and judiciary. Parliamentary government has also these 3 organ, but in this system, executive group is dependent on legislature group. On the other hand, the example of parliamentary type of government is Bangladesh. On the other hand, in presidential government, the executive group and the legislature group both are work freely. The executive group is not responsible, accountable to the legislature group. The example of presidential government is USA. Let's summarize the topic. In this video, we have learned unitary government and federal government. These 2 types of government are not applicable in one country. In one country can apply the one type of government from here. parliamentary form of government and presidential form of government. From these two types of government, one country has tried only one type of government. Students, I hope you all are understand these all types of government. You already have a worksheet in your school website. Please solve this worksheet and send to my email. Thank you.